Y'all, we started at 7:25, 7:30-ish, and it's 8:48 right now. So this is a quick little dinner for your family. Y'all, I forgot about the garlic bread. Texas toast. I'm doing that to go as a side dish. As a side for the dish. So it's good. You hear the raves? You hear the period. She give me a 100%. Yeah. This brand is Furlani Texas toast, and it's the garlic kind. It says ready in 5 minutes. Bake it for 5 minutes until it's heated through. To brown both sides, turn slices over after 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, the garlic bread is finished. Okay. Can y'all see it? Oof, it's hot. Is it burnt? Oh my gosh, I hope I didn't burn it. You smell garlic? I thought that was burntness, but that's garlic, y'all. Okay, can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see. Off, everything is off, you guys. The garlic bread is done. The pasta is done. Everything is done. Yay! It's 9:06, you guys. Inspired by Justin. Okay, I'm gonna fix my plate and I'm gonna test it for you guys. This was really chaotic though. If we want to be for real, this was really the most chaotic thing I've ever done. Y'all, this garlic bread is falling apart. That means it's really good. That's what that means. Okay, y'all. Now I'm about to try it. Okay. I'm gonna get bacon. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken. Is that chicken? That is chicken. And make sure I get me a noodle. Okay. Garlic bread. That's good too. Oop, about to drop my plate. Y'all, I give myself A+. 100%. You can try this recipe for your family. It'll take about a good hour if you're doing the Texas toast like I did. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. Chicken, bacon, Alfredo with Texas toast on the side. Well, that's really the end of this video, so I can go eat this. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this or if you like seeing cooking videos by me. My first time actually cooking for real. My first time cooking for like my family, a dish-ish thing with a side. Like I don't know. It was an experience. I feel like all them cooking videos and baking videos, I feel like they paid off. Y'all should try this. Even if you don't like the bacon, you can always substitute that for another meat or just have chicken by itself with no bacon. And then parsley, the freshness of it, you also get that in here. And also it's like the ranch seasoning with the chicken and the bacon, all of that come together for a different experience too. So that ranch packet, it was little, but it was crucial. But yeah, y'all don't have to do none of the stuff I did or in like a particular, like the way I did it. Make it yours if you want to do the recipe, if you want to change it. But if you do want to do it the way I did it, it's go ahead. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to become part of YNW fam. We are all one big happy family over here, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, this hit. I'm a chef. It's giving Gordon Ramsay. That's what it's giving.